Checking your account balance with First Citizens Bank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access your account information. Step 1. Log into online banking. Visit the First Citizens Bank website and click on the login button. Enter your username and password to access your online banking account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Summary. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRUC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select your account. From the account summary, choose the specific account for which you want to check the balance. This could be a checking, savings, or any other type of account you hold. Step 4. View your balance. After selecting the account, your current balance will be displayed along with recent transactions. Review the information to ensure it meets your needs. Step 5. Log out securely. Once you have finished checking your balance, make sure to log out of your online banking session. Click on the logout button to protect your account information. By following these steps, you can easily check your account balance at First Citizens Bank. Make sure to keep your login credentials secure for future access.